Hey, what's up everyone? Today we'll be looking at the rainfall data in Excel. Alright, so what we're gonna do here today is to analyze the rainfall data for 5 zones across Singapore. Here we have the table of rainfall in mm, alright, across north, south, east, west and central regions. What we're gonna do is have the column chart here over here with the data table. Okay, a line chart with data labels over here for the west zone alone. Here we have the rainfall in June in mm, and again the rainfall in June by percentage. So let's go back to our Excel file. Alright, so we're going to look at rainfall now. Now first, what we're going to do is to highlight all the data that rainfall that's above 150 mm. So example, you have here 150, 200, 160, 190. Now the most efficient way to get this done is to highlight the cells that we need and then go to Home, Conditional Formatting, New Rule, Format only cells that contain cell values that are greater than or equals to 150. Format, just wait a while, sometimes it's hang. Okay, the fill should be in yellow, and once that is done, voila, all the cells are now highlighted in yellow that we require to be 150 and above are highlighted. Now that's a very efficient way to deal with data. Now next we want to have the entire table in column charts, so I'm just going to highlight everything including the headers. Right, okay, first let me do that. Column chart, so insert, they even recommend new charts over here, but I'm just going to go with this one over here. This is a stack chart. Okay, I'm going to go with this clustered column chart. Now let me check the requirement of the question. So, oh look, from January to June only, right? Not the entire 12 months. So gotta be careful with that. Zones from January to June, column chart, insert. Okay, so you have the chart over here. We can stretch that out to a slightly bit more. Okay, now here we're gonna go back to design. Okay, add chart elements. I'm gonna go to the primary title, horizontal. Okay, this is the axis. So it's okay about this one over here. So rainfall in mm from January to June. Okay. You also notice that the labels are not out, so I'm just gonna go to data labels. So I'm just going to put outside end so I can see all the data for my presentation. Okay, and then I'm going to go to axis titles, primary horizontal is over there. So it's going to be months. Okay, let's go on to the axis title, vertical. It's going to be rainfall in mm. Just double click over there, rainfall in mm. Okay, we can't seem to have the months over here, so let's try to get those months out. Yeah, so never mind, there's the data table. That's with legend keys. Yeah, that's good over there, no legend keys. So I'm just going to go with this one with legend keys. Alright. Okay, I'm just going to put this down to give it more space. And there we have it. Okay, let's stretch that out even more. Okay, why don't we just stretch it out across the 12 months. Okay, so we have a very nice column chart with all the rainfall data. Okay, next we're going to do, what are we going to do here now? Okay, the pie chart of rainfall in January. Okay. So let me make that more challenging. Okay, to June. June over here too. Okay, so now June is way over here and zones are over here. So I'm going to make a pie chart now. Number 2. Let's check our requirement. Okay, rainfall in June looks like this, pie chart. Okay, so zones, click, press Ctrl, okay, the control button, and June. Alright, so you can see these two columns are highlighted. Insert pie chart. Yes, there we have it, the pie chart. Okay, add chart elements. I'm going to go with the, it's not percentage data. I'm going to go to data labels, outside end. Okay, and then I'm just going to go to data labels again, more data label options. Okay, where is that? Let's do that again. Data label options. Okay, you see this pop up over here. I'm going to show them the category name. Okay, so it's very clear for our users for representation. Okay, I'm going to get the legend. Okay, legend maybe. Right, now I'm going to go back here. I'm going to go to legend, and this time I want the legend to be on my right, so it doesn't bother my presentation. So here we go. Rainfall in mm. Rainfall in June. Okay, so we have our chart number 2. Let's just move that over here. Okay, maybe, okay, this is going to be good to align over here. Next one is the same, rainfall in June, but this time I'm going to go by percentage, and it's a donut chart. So I'm going to highlight this one over here, this column and this column June. I'm not letting go of my fingers, so I'm going to press Ctrl and do just that. Insert chart and donut chart. Okay. You notice you have a lot of options over here, so but I'm just going to go with the first one. I'm going to customize this. Okay, this chart is going to look like with all the percentages and the labels. Alright, so here, add chart element, data labels, data call out. Yep, so it's a data call out, data labels, data call out. Okay, let's check whether we have other options. Yes, options. Okay, percentage done correctly. It's a bit odd, so maybe I just want, can I move this out? No, I can't. Okay, I'm just gonna leave that over there. Okay, maybe my labels also, I'm gonna have my legends on my right. Okay, so this one's gonna say percentage of rainfall in June across regions. Okay, done. Now for the last part, we're gonna work with the rainfall in the west zone. Okay, so rainfall in the west zone is zones over here and west zone. So I once again use the Control key to highlight 2 separated rows this time. So insert the line chart with the dots over here. Okay, the west zone is looking good. Oops, undo, Control Z, undo. Okay, we need our data labels to be out. So just go back to design, add chart element, data labels above. Okay, any other formatting needs to be done. We need a rainfall over here, rainfall in the red zone for the year. Okay, so here we go. Rainfall in mm for west zone. And you're going to put your year over there. Okay, it could be 2017, 18, 19, 20, so on and so forth, depending on the year that you're doing this chart. Okay, next is our axis titles, primary vertical over here. So this is going to be rainfall in mm. Okay, so if you want to be a bit more adventurous, just gonna get chart titles, primary horizontal. Yes, those are the ones. Okay, so there we go, the entire chart in about 10 minutes or less. Alright, so we have the conditional formatting, the column chart, the pie chart, the donut chart, and of course the line chart. Okay, stay tuned for the next one on count. So do try out your Excel skills on the rainfall for your geography data. Alright, see you later.